In 24 hours, what's happening in 24 hours?
You're coming to Lately, virtual
Finally.
HQ, and we're going to have a chat about live streaming, why you should do it, how easy it is to do it, how to do it without freaking out or worrying how you look, like I do. If you have eye bags, if you don't feel tall. Not feeling tall is the worst. Like, that's the one thing. That's a Damn Wells lyric plug for my husband's band. Don't you wish you were tall? And it's so relatable. Everybody wishes they were tall, except for probably the really tall people who can't find shoes.
Who cannot find shoes. That is a serious problem for the big people.
Lately Live, this and other
Tomorrow,
nuggets.
in 24 hours. It's happening.
It's going to be a good
If
one.
you love yourself, you should sign up and join us tomorrow.
Lately Live is
If you hate yourself, you should sign up, then you'll love yourself. Teach yourself love.